How to connect Trust Wallet to Dex Screen. Follow these simple steps to connect your Trust Wallet to Dex Screener. Open Dex Screener first and launch the Dex Screener onto your browser or mobile device. You will land on your watch list page, which is the Access Account settings. If you're already logged in, look for the gear icon next to your account name at the bottom left corner of the page. Click it to open your account settings and choose a login method. You'll see several options for logging in. Click on Connect Wallet to proceed. Select your wallet from the list of available wallets and select Trust Wallet or MetaMask if you prefer. Trust Wallet should appear as one of the most options in the list. Confirm the connection. A confirm window will appear showing you the connection details. If everything looks good, click Connect to authorize the link between your wallet and Dex. Sign the message you'll be able and sign a message in a Trust Wallet to complete the process. This is just secure the measure to confirm that you are the trust connection. Click Send Message to proceed and then complete the setup. After you confirm, your Trust Wallet public address will appear at the bottom left of the screen and replacing your email address. Now your wallet is successfully connected to Dex Screener. By following these steps, you can easily track and manage your assets on Dex Screener with your Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching.